Are you looking to improve your knowledge and ability to draw anatomy? Hello everyone, my name is Robert Marzullo and welcome to my course, How to Draw a Dynamic Anatomy Step by Step. As an illustrator, you've probably heard once or twice you need to work on your anatomy. It's one of the recurring things that you're going to hear throughout your life, and I think it's one of those things that you never really stop trying to improve at. In this course, you'll learn how to take the body and break it down into more simplified shapes and forms, while also paying attention to rhythms and patterns that allow you to commit it to memory. You'll also learn how to draw the body in a more stylized and dynamic way, while also learning the terminology as we go. Currently in this course, we cover the torso and pelvis, arms and legs, both male and female, and from different angles of each. We also cover dynamic posing, and this will allow you to really take everything you learned about drawing the anatomy, but then implement it into actual practical applications. And remember that you can share your work through the Q&A section of this course, and it will allow me to look it over and give you any insight that I can back onto your studies. So sign up today and let's get started at making those anatomy illustrations look much more confident and professional. Thank you for considering my course, and good luck with your art.